Okay, guys. So, yesterday it was all about Burnaboy or Cubana chief priest. So, I'm here to give you guys the summary of the whole thing that took place, what actually happened, what instigated the whole hula baloo. Yes, it all started from when Burnaboy was making jest of Davido that most of all the properties that Davido bought were actually rented. And remember, Davido has so many loyalists and the rest, and of which Cubana Chief Priest is one of them, one of the strong loyalists of Davido. So along the line, but remember, Sujimoto has come out to confirm that Davido actually bought those properties from them. But Cubana Chief Priest responded that they don't buy, as like they don't drive on credit just as Burna Boy is doing, but rather they pay in full. Do you understand me? So it all ended with Burna Boy accusing Davido of a crypto scammer, calling Cubana chief priest the recross of Owerri because of his fatness. It was a whole lot of exchange of words. You know, then calling both Davido and Cubana chief priest as a man, trying to say that men they are into some illegal shenanigans, as a man, you know what it means. Then again, Cubana chief priest came with his own bomb, calling a Burna Boy uh, Grammy, Didi Oye Grammy winner, you know, calls him. In fact, Cubana chief priest reminded Burna Boy of how he helped his career, especially when he brought him to Owerri, paid him 1 million to perform in a show, accommodated him, his chef fed Burna Boy and the rest, So a whole lot of issues yesterday. A whole lot of issues yesterday. But my question now is this. Now that it is Cubana chief priest, because Burna Boy has been showing muscle, have been, you know, acting up so much since so far. Let him go and arrest Cubana chief priest now because he kept speed darlington in prison so far under the custody because he feels that speed darlington is still an upcoming artist and the rest because the influence is not that much. Tell Burna Boy now. Where is Burna Boy? You go and arrest Cubana chief priest. Go and touch Cubana chief priest. If they're not born you well, go and touch Cubana chief priest because you have the God to take someone, put the person in the custody of the law. If they not born you well, go and arrest Cubana chief priest. You know, Cubana chief priest is one of the strong men in the other world, in the other side. Just as you are Burna Boy, MBM, number one. Cubana chief priest is also a representative of his own cartel. He has the money, he has the influence, he has the connection, he has the squad. He's not a small person. Go and deal with him. Let's see. Let's see if you not see yourself being pepper souped this time around. Go and try it, Burna Boy. You understand me? You start acting bullying the mass, bullying your fans. Look at how you did to someone in Lagos State, yeah? She drove the. In fact, you almost wanted to match the guy on the stage because you feel that you are the Odogu now, always claiming big, always claiming big. Go and arrest Cubana chief priest, Burnaboy. Go and arrest Cubana chief priest. Didi Grammy Oye Award winner. Go and arrest Cubana chief priest. That was what he called you. It's not my word. He said you are I don't know if it is true or not because I believe that was the same thing Happy said. Baby oil. Say you they collect, they been that collect. It was the same thing that made you to go and arrest Speed Darlington, aka Happy. Go and repeat the same thing to where Cubana chief priest is. Even at this point in time, uh, I think Speed Darlington's lawyer has come out to say that Burna Boy should go and arrest the same thing and arrest Cubana chief priest because the same crime that he put uh, uh Speed Darlington under the custody of law should be used against Cubana chief priest. Do you understand me? So guys, if you watch this video to this extent, go and subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.